Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachooks and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Serie A, and the rest of the world. For now, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. Master don't go Amex Stadium, go play 0-0 draw with Brighton. For that match, Arsenal don't really play well as fans all over the world, they para for them. Brighton outplay Arsenal and lose many clear-cut chances as Arsenal no resemble the team wey beat Spurs. Lacazette even enter for second half but Baba no fit even do anything. Na so the match take end 0-0. For media setting, they come dey ask Mikel Arteta about the performance of the defense for the match. So Baba come dey talk say say get special praise for Gabriel Magalhaes and Ben White. Say these two people they really dey at the heart of everything defending for Arsenal. So they really play well because this place na very hard place to come play and dey very easy. Say if you remember this people say them beat Leicester for here, so for Leicester to come lose for here, it means say then they do something right because Leicester say na big team for England, you can't deny it. So so you just thank the defenders as they try their very best. At least we still draw, collect 1 point, go out. Still for the match, when you know how the match stay hard reach, Gabriel Magalhaes losing teeth for that match. The players one of his tooth fall down, so Baba can final. I don't know whether I don't see him by now, but Chris Whitley, will be one of our monitoring spirits, come outside, they let us know yesterday, say Gabriel Magalhaes still they find the teeth though, so they never see him. So I don't know, by now, maybe they go down help him, all these stewards, they go down help him find the teeth. However, Jack Wilshere don't come outside, they talk about the match, so Baba can talk, say truly, the match is a very hard match. Arsenal don't really play well, everybody know, but it takes huge quality for you not to play well and still not lose. So that one another good trait we Arsenal don't get now. Say some people they don't go play well and they go see chopper, but we don't play well at the same time we still struggle collect 1 point go out, which means people who even play well they no win. So na very nice thing. Well, so now another characteristics of Arsenal we don't dey good now. Well, wish them all the best of luck. Hopefully they will drop this bad momentum, carry the form wey they use for Spurs, go play the next match. On familiar setting, they call ask Jurgen Klopp about Arsenal, say how he see Arsenal team now. So Baba call talk say 3 weeks ago, everybody was saying Arsenal was in crisis, Arsenal this, Arsenal that. But 3 weeks later now, everybody gonna sing their praises, say that's what football be. The Arsenal is getting back to where they want to be, and he just hope say they go contain the team that they do, continue the process, you guys be more consistent. And I would think they hope. Say if they do like that, say top 4 no far now, top 6 gone no far. And for media setting, they constantly ask Mikel Arteta about the performances of Lokonga. Say he used Lokonga replace Granit Xhaka wey don dey injured. So Baba Conte say Lokonga had a very nice game because I know say this place it dey very difficult because there was a lot of 1v1 situation. You say one-on-one plenty for that midfield, so it dey very easy for him because the guy that play wey go fit play collectively and nobody dey like one-on-one situation. Not everybody fit take am. So but overall, say the guy marking and he display, say he play very well. At least he assists party, he try his best. They no kuku scores, which means our defense, both the defensive midfield and both the central back and the wing backs, everybody try their very best. So good praise to all of them. You're right, don't come outside the chook mouth for this matter. So back on the talk, say for him, say now 2 players now we no play very well for that match. And Thomas Partey and Aubameyang. Say Thomas Partey won't be say you don't understand. Say this no be the Thomas Partey play against Tottenham Hotspur. I say this guy can be very different. They lose ball, no fit collect ball easily. Say you just understand. Say how Thomas Partey wanted the lead, make you go back on the watch and if they lose balls anyhow. And at the same time, Babako they talk about Aubameyang. Say Aubameyang no dey for the match at all. You don't even get one shot on goal. Even some kind of chances you dem give and you no prepare for. He leg no go touch the ball. As in the guy no dey for the match at all. See that's why they can't even come out and pull Lacazette. Say this kind of match, Arteta supposed to use Lacazette because Lacazette dey fitted for this kind of match. This kind of match then dey suitable for him because Lacazette that person dey say he hold up play and he link up play with the boys. He did better than Aubameyang. Lacazette fit guide player, collect ball, turn, pass. Aubameyang no dey do all those things, dey leg and the guy no get presence. Now Lacazette for you start this match because number one, we don't already know how good Brighton dey. We don't already watch their tape. We don't know their history. We know their strengths and their weaknesses. So supposed to play onto their own weaknesses. You say we not supposed to be surprised say there's a big whole possession. They good with the ball. So we're supposed to know so if we go here and they dey home, see that then go get almost 60% possession. So we're supposed to play on their weaknesses. Instead, one come dey follow them, they play their own game. They slow down the tempo of the football. We're supposed to increase the intensity. Talk plenty. And listen, I look at Baba dey talk. Baba dey talk through because if you watch that match, Aubameyang no dey that match at all. He no dey that match. So you're supposed to put Lacazette, start am. Start Lacazette. Forget the form where Aubameyang dey carry come from Tottenham Hotspur. Start am, or even if you no start am, if you don't play first half, you don't already scam, you don't see everything as a coachee. Second half, you go put Lacazette early. So back on the Peter like 70 minutes. Well, it don't happen. We say it don't happen. We go take the positive. Last, we no lose. More familiar setting, they call they ask Mikel Arteta say what's it been assessment of the match between Arsenal and Brighton. How they see the way the boys they play. So Baba Kato say, for that match, making no lie. So we no deserve to win because we played woefully. Say he give Brighton all the credit. They were fully prepared for the game and we know how they play football. Say just be surprised, say they outrun us, outplay us, outsmart us, as in they were good in all departments. Maybe because then they home, because they very good for home. Everybody know their record. For that home, they are very good. Well, so overall, we just take the positives like other pundits they talk. We don't lose at least. We collect 1 point, we can't go out. Still on the media setting because media people no one make Arteta go. They call they ask him about Bukayo Saka injury because get the way the guy they do in leg, like say he don't get cramps or something. So back on talk say you know they're too serious. Say the physios will check out. After they don't assess Saka, they'll come let us know how they because after this match now the guy's supposed to go report for England duty because Gareth Southgate don't call him. May go help them play World Cup qualifier. So no go like making the injured, come carry injury, go there, come go aggravate the injury. When you come back now, you can go for a lengthy spell on the sideline. So that's why after the physios go check out. Anything they talk, I go let you know. So my dear football lovers, Monaya will come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow, I will come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our post, share our videos, follow us and support us. And see that bell notification icon we did there. Toggle them so that when next we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you so we don't drop them. Thank you for always supporting us and God bless you.